In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you two different ways of making this new drink for you to try at home or in your coffee shops. The first is for an 8-ounce cup for home or premium cafes, and the second is the commercial 16-ounce cups. Hello and welcome. If you're looking for something new to offer in your coffee shop, this is the video to watch. I am going to share with you something special, something incredibly delicious. It's so delicious that even I was surprised when I first tried it. It is quite popular in Malaysia, that is mixing coffee with tea, and they call it Kopi Cham, and also in Hong Kong where they call it Yuanyang. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. It is also supposed to be popularized in Ethiopia. It's just I couldn't remember what the name is. If you know, please comment below. What we are going to make today is a variation to those popular drinks, and this is going to be Thai tea coffee. Now, Thai tea, for those of you that have tried it, is quite strong, and combine it with a very strong espresso, you get a really strong drink with a lot of flavors, a burst of flavors, and you don't know what actually hits you. You can only tell once you try this recipe at home. The recipe calls for the use of Thai tea, really strong, aromatic, flavorful Thai tea, and I'm going to use my dark roast coffee beans here and my milk syrup. For those that do not know what milk syrup is, it's a combination of evaporated milk and condensed milk. Now, some use only pure condensed milk, but I prefer to combine it with evaporated milk because somehow I feel that evaporated milk gives you more texture and at the same time reducing the need to use a lot of condensed milk. We're going to start by brewing the tea. For my brewed tea, I am going to use the espresso machine as well to make sure it is strong and aromatic. So I'm going to use my own blend of Thai tea here. And I need 1 scoop, or this is about 7 grams of tea, into my double basket. And I'm going to pull it straight into my serving glass. This is a double wall glass because it is going to be hot and cold, so I am going to pull about 30 milliliters of my brewed tea. First, let some of the water flow to the tea and let it bloom for a bit. This way, your tea will be stronger. So wait for about 10 to 20 seconds and then pull the rest of your tea. That's it. That's all I need. This is about 30 milliliter or 1 shot of my brewed tea. Very strong. For that amount of tea, 7 grams of tea, and I'm only pulling 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. I'm going to add ice into it. Just that, and then I'm going to pour my 2 ounces of milk syrup into this cup, and that is essentially Thai milk tea. But we are going to make it a little bit more exciting by adding 1 shot of espresso over it. So now to get the espresso shot, make sure your filter basket is dry. And I'm going to pull my espresso shot right on top. Cheers. Absolutely strong, aromatic, colorful, and different. 1 shot of espresso, 1 shot of strongly brewed tea, and balanced by the sweetness of that milk syrup. Absolutely delicious. Now that we have seen how to make a concentrated Thai tea coffee for 8-ounce cup, let's have a look at a commercial recipe. We will be using 16-ounce cup or 500 milliliters. Starting with brewing the strong Thai tea using the espresso machine. 7 grams of Thai tea into my double basket filter. And we are going to pour 3 ounces or 90 milliliters of brewed tea. Next, we are going to pour 1 shot or 30 milliliter of espresso. Now, to assemble the drink. Pour the strong brewed Thai tea into the cup. I have let both the espresso and the Thai tea cool down for a bit whilst I was busy preparing other things. Add 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of milk syrup. Stir to combine. And this is essentially Thai milk tea. Add ice. Finally, pour the espresso over. This way, we get a layered effect. Strong Thai tea coffee for you to try and enjoy. I did. Well, that's all I have today about Thai tea coffee. Do give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button below for more of these video tutorials. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.